2023 Sephora Sun Safety Kit is now available at Sephora online, and this kit is $39 and does have a value of over $185. And this kit usually sells out fast, so if you want to pick it up, go ahead and grab it. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. So it's a kit containing Sephora's favorite sun care products, including an array of sunscreen options for safe play in the sun. Sephora will donate $25 from the sale of this kit to Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center with a minimum donation of $700,000. How cool is that? Okay. So if you'd like to purchase one today, be sure to add, your coupon codes. You can either add 3 free samples before your checkout, etc. So the set will include 0.67 ounces, 20 milliliter Bioessence Squalene plus Zinc Sheer Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30 PA+++. 0.3 ounces, 10 milliliter K-Skin Isle Glow Face Lotion SPF 45, 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, Dr. Dennis Cross Skincare All Physical Lightweight Wrinkle Defense Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 30, 0.3 ounces, 10 milliliter, Dr. Jart plus Sephora Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment SPF 30, 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliter, First Aid Beauty Mineral Sunscreen Zinc Oxide Broad Spectrum SPF 30, 0.3 ounces, 10 milliliter Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen SPF 50, Hum Nutrition Here Comes the Sun, 0.3 ounces, 10 milliliter Innisfree Daily UV Defense Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 36, 0.5 ounce, 15 milliliter Josie Maran Mini Get Even Sun Milk SPF 33, 1.7 ounce, 50 milliliter Kiehl's since 1851 Ultra Facial Cream SPF 30, 0.8 ounce, 23 milliliters Murad Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30 PA+++. 0.17 ounce, 5 milliliter Peter Thomas Roth Water Drenched Broad Spectrum SPF 45 Hyaluronic Cloud Moisturizer. 0.85 ounce, St. Jane Beauty Luxury Sun Ritual Pore Smoothing SPF 30. 0.16 ounce, 5 milliliter Summer Fridays Shade Drops Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Mineral Milk Sunscreen. And the last item is 0.5 ounce, 15 milliliter Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye.